Want to learn English the easy and fun way? Let's start right here. In this video, we'll learn the names of body parts and how to pronounce them correctly. Ready? Let's go.
Exciting body parts training. Part 1. Parts of the head and face. Head. Head. Hair. Hair. Forehead. Forehead. Eyebrow. Eyebrow. Eyelash. Eyelash. Eye. Eye. Eyelid. Eyelid. Nose. Nose. Nostril. Nostril. Cheek. Cheek. Ear. Ear. Mouth. Mouth. Lip. Lip. Tongue. Tongue. Gums. Gums. Palate. Palate. Throat. Throat. Chin. Chin. Jaw. Jaw. Teeth. Teeth. Part 2. Upper body parts. Chest. Chest. Nipple. Nipple. Breast. Breast. Navel. Navel. Abdomen. Abdomen. Waist. Waist. Armpit. Armpit. Armpit hair. Armpit hair. Part 3. Back body parts. Back. Back. Spine. Spine. Shoulder. Shoulder. Lower back. Lower back. Buttocks. Buttocks. Part 4. Arms and hands. Arm. Arm. Forearm. Forearm. Elbow. Elbow. Wrist. Wrist. Hand. Hand. Finger. Finger. Index finger. Index finger. Nail. Nail. Palm. Palm. Part 5. Legs and surrounding areas. Thigh. Thigh. Knee. Knee. Shin. Shin. Ankle. Ankle. Heel. Heel. foot, foot, sole, sole, toe, toe, toenail, toenail.
Great job! You've just learned body parts in English. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be speaking like a pro. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next video.